Good morning. This is Carrie with Steel Roots Market. It's early Thursday morning. Chilly, very, very chilly. It was 37 when I woke up this morning. And I'm going to get organized here. And I have two swaps for the treasured page to share. I have been busy crafting, getting ready for some seasonal crafts. It's been so much fun. So let me just get organized. So I originally had my September swap to share by my swap partner, Jessica. And then yesterday, late afternoon, when I got the mail, I got my swap from the previous month from Judy. And so I said, well, I'll just do them together to share what I got. And I've got Judy's here all opened up. I'll share Jessica's right after. Judy, you are I am so excited. And I'm going to stay in touch. I have lots of prayers for you, Judy. So, oh, look at this pretty stuff. Lots of goodies to get busy with. All these pieces. So this, oh, look at this, the beading. So this is part of the treasured page swap we do. There's a little snag. Where'd my scissors go? There they are. So this is part of a swap that we all work together. And we each month get a swap partner. And all the details are over on the page. I will add that link. Look at all this yummy tulle and some clips, an earring clip, some beads, lots of great things, Judy, to use into my paper crafting. And I love the texture you did here. Velcro. She handmade this little folio with the theme for what we were working on, and she added in all these handmade, hand-stamped little pieces, little tuck spots. This is darling. I can't wait to add this to that journal. Oh, look at, oh goodness, that is cute. I love the way you have this layered. Look at this little pocket. And she sent so many bits and bobs. Look at this. This is beautiful. I love the texture and all this space for me to work in. And this will go right into my summer journal that we were working on. Oh, and there's a back flap. Look at that. And this all goes to the theme that was part of the summer theme that we had for the treasured page. So there's that. And then there's all these little goodies. We'll go into that after. The other part of the swap, for those that don't know and might be interested, is we also send a collection, 8 papers, that we will be able to use in our paper crafting, and we can dye them, we can alter them. Look at this. We can alter them, and they're for us to use in upcoming projects for our bases and as we create journals. She sent so many wonderful papers. Lots of dyed papers, eco-dyed. Some with designs on them. Thank you, Judy. These will be great. This beautiful mesh, this is so fun, especially putting together the journal that we're working on with the theme for the summer. Okay. And then a whole baggie of tons of the little bits and bobs that I will be able to do to make charms. There's some seashells, a little seahorse. There's some journaling cards, papers. Lots of wonderful things. And then another little embellishment pack. Oh, there's a little envelope in there. Look at how cute that is. More of this beautiful textured paper that she worked on. It's so fun. Oh, look at those little bits for decoupaging. So it's so fun to be able to create and do these techniques, and then we gift them off, but we've learned so much and we've practiced so much, or some things will come back to us that we used to do. And it's just a fun swap that we get to do. Thank you, Judy, so much. I love it. I can't wait to add these pieces to that treasured page journal that we did. And I hope you're taking care. Thinking of you, and we'll keep in touch with you. And we can't wait for you to join back in. Okay, so now I'm on to September. We're on to a new journal for September, a new project. And again, all the details are over in the treasured page with Melanie. She does she does tons of wonderful tutorials and just lots of great videos, and very great group on Facebook that goes along with her YouTube channel, where we all do lots of paper crafting. So if you love paper crafting, come join us over there. It is a wonderful time, wonderful group. And if you want, you can join in on the next round of Paper Craft Swap. So this one is my September one that I got from my swap partner, Jessica. And Jessica, I opened it up. I am blown away. Look at this gorgeous card. And she wrote me a little note onto the back. I love this. It's beautiful. And we had a project that we had to work on that are all the details are in the video. It's actually supposed to go like this. Yes, I had to take a sneak peek. And this was the main part of the project, was to create this base that we are able to add into a larger project that we're going to be working on. So this month, this was one of the requirements to send. You get the options in the first, to create it how you want, but this was one of the projects. So we open this up, and she filled hers with this wonderful little pockets and interactive folio for the top. And oh, look at it. This is so amazing. All my treasured swap friends that are watching this, isn't this gorgeous and fun? And it goes right with the theme, the butterfly theme, field notes. I can totally see, look at this. This is going to be a great base to add in to my journal. And so the back, oh, I love this. I love that bird with the little number tag. This is beautiful, with a journaling spot for me. It's beautiful. I think if you people that aren't in Treasured Page realize that we have a butterfly theme going. But if you want more details, head over to Melanie's page. Look at that. I love this shade of green right now. I have been loving this. I love this. I might need to save this out for just to enjoy right now as I'm working. That is darling. I gotta set that aside. Look at this. This is beautiful. An envelope she made. Looks like out of maybe a magazine. Yep. And inside, oh, look at that. That's beautiful. Okay, let me set this over here. And so that was the main part, one of the main parts. And then, of course, we're supposed to send some papers and a few little add-in embellishments for that. And she did send me, in the note, she told, we can tell them what we love, like our style a little bit in the beginning of the swap. And everyone knows I love vintage and I love everything. I love everything with paper crafting. But I do love vintage. And so in velvet ribbon I had put in, and so she sent me some beautiful, and look at this green. I have been shopping for some more shades of green ribbon and looking for velvet, vintage velvet over on Etsy actually. And look at this. I got a piece of green velvet ribbon for a project. Thank you, Jessica. And I love that blue, too. So I just accidentally dripped it in my coffee. But thank you. And then I've got a little fabric bundle. I love. Oh, look at the lace. Look at this panel of lace. How pretty for a project. Love adding fabric pieces into my journals. I've been doing lots of sunflower projects lately. Thank you for this. This is so pretty. That caught my eye. Pretty piece of vellum. A little envelope that she made. It is beautiful. Look at that. And it's filled with just some bits and bobs. We like to send up little scrap pieces, because if you're a junk journal, just like Judy sent me, those little bits and bobs is what we use to create our junk journals and paper crafting projects. And oh, look at that. And if you're on my page, once in a while I get time to share a new paper crafting project, because I love paper crafting. I have been, that's beautiful. I have been paper crafting for a very long time, many years, back when I started scrapbooking for my boys. So here's my paper pack. Again, each month we send a selection of papers. We try to have them to be, Melanie goes over in the videos, but we've got some beautiful, it's like a thick magazine. And then she altered and punched some designs. This is beautiful. So we just love to repurpose, alter, and do. These are great papers to use in the upcoming journals. Thank you so much, Jessica. I absolutely love it. I will share some pictures over in the Treasure Page group. I'll put that Treasure Page group link for Melanie's YouTube channel and the Facebook group in the description. Judy, thank you so much. I love my swap. I love both of them. I am going to jump off here, get this loaded to YouTube, and then get busy crafting, because it is, I've got some fun projects heading over for Steel Roots Market for some of those fun holiday projects coming up. And I would love for you to like, subscribe, and hit the notification button. And if you would like to get on my email list for upcoming shop updates, special offers. I just had the giveaway for September, which we will be announcing the winner later this evening in my email. And I will be having a little special offer in my shop announced in that email. So to join my email, you can head over to my website. I'll put the link in, but it is steelrootsmarket.com, and there should be a pop-up on there when you first jump onto the website, and you can enter your name and email, and then you'll be added to my email list. Okay, guys, have a wonderful day.